Especially to stay with us, but let's wind down the market for today's trading session. We end with a cut of around 170 points. So I'll tell you what, we recovered more than 150 points in the last 60 minutes. Remember, today is the Nifty weekly expiry, so that could have been an element at play. What did well in today's trading session? Well, from the Nifty pack itself, the outlier was IndusInd Bank. It appeared it was a kitchen sinking quarter, and the street is appearing to look ahead. The management commentary as well has been positive, with the Hinduja saying they're ready to back up the bank. So that gave some confidence. Stock ended up closer on 2%. Bajaj Auto as well was up closer around 1%. ONGC, you have some pressure on crude oil prices, so that one corrected in line. Mahindra & Mahindra has been the rank outperformer. That came in for some profit taking. And Hindalco as well, a bit of a risk off is what we're seeing. So that's why that stock was lower in trade. Add to the list trend. But from the broader markets, plenty of winners. And let's talk about only 20% gainers in today's trading session. Cosmo first, 20% up. You had Jai Bharat, that one was up another 20%. Ramco Systems up another 20% in trade today. And a few other notable winners on very, very large volumes. Interact, stock up more than 10%. Alicon Castroy, that one was up more than 10%. You had Carousel India as well, up close to 10%. And Garden Reach, the street likes the big order that they have won. So that goes home with a gain of close to around 10%. Hind Rectify is another name that went home with solid gains of close to around 10% or thereabouts. So it was a day that the Nifty goes home with some cuts. The Nifty Bank took support at around that 54,500 odd mark, which is a crucial mark we had highlighted earlier today. And it bounced back close to 400 points from the low point of the day. So not such a bad trading session, though the Nifty goes home in the red.
Absolutely. And, much of the lows of the day, briefly, the market had broken the 20-day as well. But we end well over 100 points above the 20-day moving average for the Nifty. So that's the overall picture. That's the bell which goes off. And it's a broadly down day. Market breadth is in the negative, but I mean, it's not spectacular one way or the other. 1,500 stocks are down, some 1,200 stocks are higher. And that's the broader sense, the overall sense of what really happened. I think what we're going to do is wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. From all of us here, it's goodbye, but don't go anywhere because markets forward is coming right up, and Vinny and I will take you through that over the next 30 minutes. Stay tuned.